Ever wanted to crack an object in half? Like a chocolate bar. Crack! A biscuit. Crack! In life, when you crack something open, you're not greeted with the void inside. So what's with Blender showing you hollow pies and cold dreams? Couldn't it generate some mesh to close the gashing hole? It's simple to add, yet an entire process. Inlet's add-on crack gives the basic way to split an object in two, while also creating a new face to seal the gashing gap left behind. Simply select a loop in vertex or edge selection. A single loop that does not branch off and comes all the way back to the start. And click! Crack! Now you have two objects, each with a face keeping them whole. It's an easier selection to make, it gives you the objects you desire, closes the breach in just the simplest of ways. Crack! Also has a split variant to keep the new pieces of mesh in the same object. Pretty basic, right? Well, not without crack! So get yourself cracked today! My Lego team's never been more excited than now! Hey, they should be getting premiums all down the road for the weeks and months and years and decades, and welcome today, it is 2126!